beach is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe, it's so...
Hi friends! Nandito tayo sa munisipyo ng Glan, Sarangani Province. Isa sa mga coastal municipalities dito sa aming probinsya. And this is Sarangani Bay. Andito tayo sa may Bakawan or mangrove area. I just want to show you how big this mangrove is or ang Bakawan. Ako siya. I'm not sure kung nakapag-sunscreen ako. Sarangani Bay or Sar Bay is declared as a protected seascape. So there are restrictions as to fishing, and they restrict yung DNR as to the implementation of biodiversity conservation regulations. Mga bantay dagat dyan. Sa karagatan ng Sarangani, dumadaan yung mga dugong, dolphins, and other protected wildlife. Huwag lang natin silang pakialaman kasi this is their natural habitat. The province of Sarangani has 7 municipalities. 6 yung coastal municipalities. Yung sa amin sa Malungon is the only landlocked municipality sa Sarangani. So, dumadayo kami sa ibang munisipyo para maligo sa dagat kasi wala kaming dagat. And this part is Glan. Yung tabi ng Glan is the municipality of Jose Abad Santos. Ibang probinsya na siya. Probinsya na siya ng Davao Occidental. Yung nakikita nyo doon, that's still part of Sarangani Province. That is the municipality of Maasim. Nandun yung Makima. Maasim, Kiamba, Maitom. Yung tabi ng munisipyo ng Maasim is the City of General Santos. Nandun yung airport at dahil dyan, may nakikita tayong airplane. Every May, the province of Sarangani is celebrating Sarangani Bay Festival or the Sar Bay Fest. Tara, mag-Sar Bay ta! Thank you po sa sponsor for allowing us to stay in your resort. Nakaka-relax. Wala kasing dagat dun sa amin.